Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my Pride Flag makeup series. Today we are doing the trans flag, which is right here. And I am super excited. I have a rough plan in mind, but we're just gonna wing it and hopefully it turns out the way I want it to. Anyways, so I'm gonna transform from this into this. Let us start with foundation, concealer, and eyebrows, and I'm not going to do that on camera because it's really boring. So we're just gonna snap our fingers and be done with it. Ta-da! That was fast. Alrighty, well, I guess it's time to just start in on those eyes. What am I going to do? I really want to do like a harsh white line, but I don't have white liner. So I'd have to wet brush and do eyeshadow. I also don't have a good white eyeshadow. So this is a pretty lofty goal that I've set for myself, considering I don't have the resources for it. Okay, well let's find the pink and the blue. Aha, this one here, perfect. That pink and that blue. Excellent. Whenever I do my makeup, my nose runs. I don't know if that's a common problem, but that's a problem, a nice problem. It's not fair. All right, I do have this white liner. However, I don't know how good it is. No, we just tested it on our legs and it is dry as fuck. I have white face paint that I could use. I don't know. I'll go get it just because. Oh, I have a prediction that this is gonna be a nightmare. Okay, that's my prediction. Alright, well.
Let us begin.
So we're going to do pink it is. So I made pesto from scratch for the very first time yesterday. I love pesto. It's like one of my favorite sauces for pasta. And oh my god, it was a very complicated and difficult recipe, but so worth it. It was so freaking delicious. However, I thought that I had a, oh my god, the fallout of this color is insane and it's not really going on. I thought I had a food processor, but apparently that's the one thing that I didn't have. This color, oh god, is not going on my skin. It's really frustrating. This is like the perfect pink color, but it's not going on. So just keep trying to pack it on there. Anyways, I thought I had a food processor. However, I did not. So I had to use one of those like single serve smoothie things to try and mix all the pesto ingredients together, and it was taking forever. I had to keep pushing down the stuff off the sides down to the bottom so that, and I had to do that like a million times. Eventually I got it and it was worth it and delicious. I'll put the recipe that I used in the description box. Let me know if you try it because it is chef's kiss. My cats are driving me insane. I don't know what's come over them, but they're freaking desperately hungry all the time. As soon as they're done eating, they want more food. They're not losing weight, so I don't think it's a parasite or anything like that, but it's like, I don't know, they're just becoming more and more bratty. every time I go into the kitchen, every single time I go into the kitchen, they think they're getting fed, as if they're gonna get fed 100 times a day. Yes, I go into the kitchen 100 times a day. But it's just so aggravating. It's aggravating to have to deal with things crawling around your feet and meowing at you every single time you get up, with like an expectance that they're gonna get something. And I don't know if it's just because I'm stuck in the house, but it is driving me up the walls insane. Let's try this. I'm using the brush from the white NYX liner and my white Halloween face paint. I don't really know what my exact intentions are for this look, but I'm going for it. I don't think I've ever done anything like this. All right, now the test is doing this on the other side and not royally fucking that up. So good luck to me. Okay, we're gonna put blue on the bottom. I feel like it matches the flag best. Oh my god, can we talk about the H3 podcast? Trisha leaving again. You know, I was never that much of a fan of Trisha. I've always been a fan of H3. I love Ika Ila. However, when they started Frenemies, I had to admit that the content and the chemistry when Ethan and Trisha were chatting, even before Frenemies, like when they had her as a guest, I just thought it was really entertaining and interesting. So then when they created a podcast, I started watching it every Tuesday, and you know what? It became my favorite part of the week. I absolutely loved the Frenemies podcast. So hearing that she had another episode and stormed out again was upsetting, but this time it seems really final, you know? And it's very upsetting to me because like Tuesday is my favorite day of the week because of Frenemies. And if it is over, I'm going to be very, very sad. I'm just gonna blend this blue out on the bottom, like really blow it out, and then line the lash line with white. Anyways, do I have any other Frenemies fans out there? Do you feel me? Do you feel me? I have like seasonal allergies where I'm allergic to trees and grass, pollen, all that jazz. Usually I get it pretty bad in the springtime, but it is June now, and my allergies are acting up like crazy. And it is definitely uncomfortable. For those of you who are staying in lockdown until you're fully vaxxed, props, lockdown gang. What do you miss most about the real world? For me, 100%, it's not social garbage because I don't care that much. It is eating at new restaurants that I've never tried before. I am huge into food. I love trying new things. One of my favorite things to do with my mom is try new restaurants. We would do that at least once a month. However, I have not done that in over a year. And I must say, I miss that the most. How about you? I really like what's happening here. This one's darker than that one. Is that all we want to do? Yeah, ruined it. Alright, let's put this pink just on the edge here. Just to blend out this blue a little bit without adding a new color, because I don't want to mess with the pink and blue contrast. I'm gonna get a new mascara next week because this one is so dry and it's really hard to apply a nice thick coat. I need a white liner. I need to make a list. I need a white liner. All right, I need a white liner. I need a new mascara. And I need a palette with like bright colors on it that isn't $3. This color actually does go on nicely. I'm going to take advantage of that. I really want to smooth out this white line with white eyeshadow, but I don't have a white eyeshadow that is good. It's so frustrating. All right, well, we do need to put something in the inner corner, so we're gonna go back in with that light and try and put that in the inner corner and see what happens. All right. Let us do my contour, blush, and lipstick. And all right, I'm gonna get dressed and I'll be right back. All right, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for hanging out with me. I struggled to complete this look, but I'm actually pretty happy with it. I'm excited for the next flag, which is gonna be a surprise, so stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed down below, please do. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. It helps me a lot. And I will see you next time when I see you. Bye!